guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl BrightAsDae. I'm Sade. If you're new to my channel, please become a day one by hitting that subscribe button and also hit the post notification so you always get notified every time I upload a video. Welcome to another series of Day Gets Ready for Jamaica. Oh, we got in there. We get in there. We almost there. Ooh, we almost there. Ooh, we almost
and clean and you ever look good. The tree not growing and your face and your man too. That you say you're quite alright.
So it's time to get ready. Time to show y'all some outfits. Now I did not show y'all all my outfits, but I did show you a sneak peek of a little bit of bits and pieces. So I did start out by showing y'all a casual wear. Then I went to another little up a little bit from casual. Then I showed you a bathing suit. I showed y'all a pants that I like. Then I'm showing y'all this dress that I have on. So if you want to see some pieces that I got for Jamaica, please stick around. All right, so the first thing that I'm going to show you are these shorts that I got from FashionNova. Most things that I try on is going to be in a 2X, but if it changes, I'll let you know the size, okay? So let's get into these jeans. These jeans that I got from FashionNova, they're the California denim construct cuff jeans. They're in the size 2X, and this is how they fit. Now, I'm usually a 14 to a 16 in regular jeans, so these are the 2X jeans from FashionNova. Let me show you how that booty do look. Round and around and around and around. Okay, the only thing I don't like is my little fupa, but you know, this it's not the jeans fault, it's your girl fault, but it's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
You still popping.
Thank y'all. So yeah, the next thing that I want to talk about is this shirt that I got from the Bomb Diggity Ross Dress for Less. So this shirt I got from Ross. It's a spaghetti strap type of, you know, just a little casual everyday wear. Anyway, I got this shirt from Ross. So I paired it with these jeans because these are going to be like my everyday outfit. Like I said, Jamaica is very hot. So this is just like an everyday, you're in a yard type of vibes. It is a chill and go to the family and your friend them. Yeah. So this is outfit number 1. Let me magafuno.
Me a figure out your style them now. Oh yo. You like you say things were so mean.
Okay guys, so the next outfit is this camel little, like, how would you describe it? Like this bodycon mini dress. Yeah. I'm gonna step out so you can see it a little bit. It's above my knee, definitely. It's very comfortable. I will wear this to, like, if I'm in Jamaica, I will wear this if I'm going into town, if I'm going on a little lunch date, if you're going on a little lunch date with your bae or with your girlfriends. You can go grab some stuff with your girlfriends. A little street event while I go on during the day, like a little like day party. I know a lot of things that are going on in Jamaica now. They'll party at night and they'll have stuff for the kids. So I'm pretty sure I'll be taking my little cousins to the little park and stuff like that. So this I will wear. I will just pair them with some sandals. It is very comfortable. It's like this cotton material. It's, you know, it's nice. You can, it's gonna be popping. So it has a spaghetti strap, and like I said, it's right above my knee area. Get into it. Boom. Here, let's get into these legs, sweetheart. Okay guys, the focus here are these pants. These are the these are the player hating pants from FashionNova as well. They're $27.99, and I got these in a 1X. Don't mind the fupa. Like I said, this area is my problem area, but you know, we can't get rid of it, so we're just gonna work with it. So this is the pants that you can wear from the split from up here, or you can button it, but obviously I'm gonna show some leg action. So let's get into it. Ew, let me back up so you can see completely. Yes, hunty. I really like these pants, y'all. They really nice. I think they just bring a little, like, they doing too much, but they not really doing too much, unless it depends on the angle where you're looking. So I really like these pants. Alright guys, this next outfit is a bathing suit. Now this is the Kalia Bikini from FashionNova in a 2X. I got my other bathing suit in a 1X, but they didn't have a 1X in this, so I got the 2X. But I think this is okay because I'm glad I got a 2X because of my boobs. They're crazy. So let's get into it. So this is what the top looks like. And then let's go into the full bikini. So this is the bikini. I really love the color. Can you imagine when I get a nice little tan in Jamaica and like glow up my body good with some glow, some glitter? So I'm gonna show you the back, my rolls and everything. So I really love the color, y'all. But like, I really like it. I really love the color. I feel like it's very tropical. It's very suitable for Jamaica. So, and this is the Kalia Bikini from FashionNova. Right, so this dress is if you want to really step out. I know you're saying it's long sleeve day, but it's very thin. You can obviously see the material. It's very thin. I don't think you're going to be too hot in Jamaica. And it's, you know, it's kind of off your shoulder. It has a very ruched material in the front. It is the Laura mesh dress from FashionNova, and I got this in a 2X. So this is what it looks like from the front. And again, don't mind my fupa. So with this dress, this is really one, if you're really trying to go to the club or something, you really want to step out with a, you really want to step out at night. I will pair these with some like nude strappy sandals type of thing, or some those glassy shoes things that I'm wearing. I will pair it with those. But yeah, if you just really want to dress up in Jamaica and just be fancy, this is a really cool dress. Even though it's long sleeve, like I said, it's very cool. It's very thin as well. And yeah, I've been asking to see how my piece is gonna be hitting in Jamaica, so I am here to show you. Big blue. Boom, 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 boom. Put your leg in it. Please go ahead and hit the subscribe. Excuse me. What's up, Jessica? Hey. Oh yeah, they must see our boobs. So remember back up. These legs, sweetheart.
Yeah.
Ooh. Ooh.
Nice and clean, are you ever local? Nice and clean, are you man? I must say that's why them want God, you. I must say that's why them want God, you.